What's going on, Amazon? I am here shouting out a product that my wife and I just got delivered in the mail, and so I figured while I'm unboxing this, I might as well show you guys exactly what this printer looks like when it gets delivered to you. Now, y'all, from the reviews that I've seen, actually my mom has this printer. I knew that this was the one that I wanted because of the connectivity to your phone. It gives great printing and copying. This is a great all-around printer, especially for your home, right? Obviously, you don't need something that's a massive undertaking when you are at the house, but it's nice to have something, especially when you need like a file printed from your phone. It's just super simple, super easy to use, and so I figured, why not get an actual printer in the mail? So I want to show you guys exactly what this product looks like when it comes delivered. So what's nice about this as well is you get some built-in ink cartridges. So that's really nice. So you got color and you've got regular black. So you got the tricolor and the black. That's really great. And then obviously you've got your power connection. That's with this first little box. And then the main one, which is the most important, right, is the actual printer. So let's pull this thing out and get it on the ground here. All right. This is a bad boy, man. This is a big, heavy. This is gonna work really great. We got it in white just because we think it looks nice when it's all nice and white and sleek. And y'all, it's from what my mom, if my mom can set this thing up, y'all, and get it all configured, I think me and my wife can as well. No shit with my wife, she's pretty technologically sound, but just, not as good as younger people. And so anyways, this is exactly what the printer looks like. It comes really nice and set up. So as you can see, you've got this film over top of all of it just to make sure that it stays. You don't get any scratches or unwanted marks on here. So as I take this off, you're gonna be able to see the printer in all of its glory. So again, you've got the ability to print, to copy. This is a great overall piece for, like I said, home needs. It's not gonna be, you're not gonna have a printing job where it just goes absolutely insane, but super simple. You've got the ability to connect via Wi-Fi. So I will, anyways, we got to take all this stuff off first to where it'll all work. But y'all, I definitely recommend, if you guys are on the fence about this product, seriously, don't be. Give it a shot. Add it to your cart. This works great overall. Again, my mom's had it for a long time. I'm just now getting to the point where I need some sort of a printer. And so that's why we're doing it. So anyways, you can see here, this is exactly where you do your copying, right? So it's just a normalized printer where you lift up to make your copies. This is kind of satisfying. You get to peel all this stuff off. And then obviously when it comes to printing, you've got your printer on the other side, which is just gonna be, feeding stuff in here. And then, you've got all the stuff that you need to make copies this way. It's all good there. Man, they do a really thorough job of making sure that everything is nice and taped, making sure that it's all packed away good. So anyways, wanted to give a little bit of a high level unboxing just so you guys can see exactly what this HP looks like. Got the ability to copy, to print, and obviously you can tell, I don't know if you can pick it up on here, but all the buttons, manual buttons are right on this top little part. So you can see you've got Wi-Fi enabling, you can cancel jobs, you can do transferring over. This is black versus color, and obviously you've got your power button. So pretty simple. Then you've got your power cable right here. Pretty long overall cable. Let me just undo it just so you guys can see. It's nice to know how long your power cables are, just in case you need an extension. So I would say this is probably, around 4 feet, 5 feet, somewhere like that, maybe 4 feet. So not like a ton of length, but it should be pretty fine. And then you just plug it in right into the back of here, and you're good to go. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Just want to do an unboxing, show you exactly what this printer looks like. Like I said, I've had a similar printer from my mom, and it works really great. HP is one of the best printers when it comes to home printing, and even larger, but we're not gonna do larger projects. So anyways, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Give it a try, add it to your cart. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping, y'all.